We're reviewing today from a company called GGOYING. It's a 60-watt equivalent LED Edison bulb, 9 watt, 850 lumens. We're going to show you how nicely it's packed and put into a couple of areas of interest. And you'll decide if this product may be right for you. So check further online about the lighting needs. The GGOYING LED 6-watt A19 Edison clear bulbs, 850 lumens, equivalent to a 6-watt, 5000 Kelvin bulb. It comes with an instruction guide, gives you information about the bulb, the 120 volts, 60 hertz, CR85 long-lasting bulb. They have a life of 25,000 hours. They come nicely packaged. As we unpack the bulb, they're nicely packaged. 6 Edison bulbs. Now what we're going to do is show you the bulb nice and close, what they look like. COB type style, 4 filaments that will light up bathroom fixtures and more. We need to replace bulbs, and we have here is a nice clear fixture that accepts 60-watt bulbs. Easy to put in and lights up in a 5000 Kelvin. In demonstration with just a single bulb on, shows you the nice brightness the light throws. With 2 lights lit and 3 lights lit. GGOYING is a bulb, a 5-watt equivalent 9-watt E26 socket for bathroom fixtures, hallways, wherever you need to have a Edison type bulb. A clear bulb gives an elegant design to all your needs. Enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for in a lighting need. Thank you for viewing. A close-up shot at the LED bulb lit up. The GGOYING 60-watt equivalent bulb, 9-watt, 850 LM, is a dimmable bulb that could be put into lampshades as well, stand-up fixtures, hallway fixtures, and more. We're going to dim down to 25%, and we're going to dim down all the way to 10%. We're going to dim up with our remote control dimmer switch and show you the light, how nicely well it's lit. The GGOYING for all your lighting needs.